Okay, Peter is here with me to help us do something really special. This is called our theoretical versus experimental probability Skittles Lab. And normally we do this in class, but because we're not in class, we're going to do it at home. So
because it's Saturday.
Well, it's Sunday, but yes.
But sometimes we can go to your school and do it.
Yeah. If you can get a pack of Skittles or M&Ms to do this at home, this is all you need. If you can print this, that's fine, or you can just do it on the computer. You don't have to have it printed. I just have it printed so it's easier to do at home or while we're doing it here. You just need a candy that has a lot of different colors. Okay, so doggies are barking. All right, so we're going to open up our Skittles. I'm going to put them in this tray. I have a tray here.
Yeah, that's my music. See all those Skittles with different colors.
Okay, so hold on. So let's look at our chart here and make sure we have the same colors of Skittles that we have on our page. So do we have red Skittles? Yeah, they're kind of reddish pink. Okay. Do we have orange?
Yes.
Do we have yellow?
Yes.
Do we have green?
Yes.
Do we have purple?
No.
Okay, these are purple.
Oh.
You see James in the background? He's getting into trouble.
They're brownish purple.
Yeah, they are. Okay, good. So we have all the colors. So let's see. Follow the steps in order. Do not eat your Skittles until we're all done.
Yeah.
Okay, until we're all done. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do, empty the contents of your bag onto the table. Okay, we did that. Count the number of Skittles you have of each color and place it in the table below. Okay, so let's put them into groups. So I'm gonna count the oranges. What color are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do the red.
Okay, good. Make a pile of reds. And you can do this with a friend or a family member. They can help you. You don't have to do it by yourself. Okay. Let's see. What other color do you want to do, Peter? I might do the purples. What do you want to do?
The green.
Okay.
No, Mommy.
I feel like there's a lot of greens.
We don't have to use all the greens.
Well, let's put them all in a pile and then we can count them. Okay. Greens, and then we'll make our pile of yellows and we'll have them all set. Okay, this is looking good. Okay, which ones do you want to count first?
The green.
Okay, count the greens.
Count.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh gosh. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 green. So I'm going to write that down, and if you're doing this digitally, you can type it into the box.
What's on the back?
It's just more of the project. Okay, so in order to keep this video not too long, we're not going to count all of them, but what we would do is we would write down the total of each. So 2, 4, 6, 9. So it looks like there's about 9 oranges. Let's say there's 15 yellows. Let's say there's 8 purples and 14 reds. I didn't actually count those with mine because I want to keep the video short, but we fill that out. We add it up. Okay, how fast can I add? Let's see, 30, 40, 50,
What
67,
are we doing on these squares?
68, I think 68. So I add them all up, and then the probability of the color out of the total. So we have 14 reds out of 68.
Wait, let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12.
Okay. So, oopsie. You're good. You still out of your chair. Okay, so once we have the first probability, the theoretical, now we're going to do the experimental. Okay, and experimental probability means we're going to see what color we get with our eyes closed. So we're going to mix them up. This actually works really well with this tray. Very handy. Okay, close your eyes and pick one. What color is that? Green. Okay. So Peter picked a green, and so I'm going to make a little tally mark. If you were watching the video from last week, you learned about tally marks. And so we're going to pretend that we pick, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
2, 4, 6.
So I'm making some pretend
8,
tally
9.
marks to say that we did this, and this is what we pulled every time with our eyes closed.
What do you
10
do?
times. So I'm going to do it for the next trial. Trial 2. Okay, let's see. Orange. Put it back. Did you eat yours? Okay, put it back. Good job. Yes, it's very important that you put it back in after you pull it. Don't eat it. Don't put it anywhere else. Put it back in the pile. So then we do it again, and this time we do it 40 more times. And so you might have tally marks, or you should have tally marks that look like this. So you can start keeping track by 5s. Okay, so you do this a lot, and it's really fun to do this with somebody. Yeah, there's more work on the back. That's the experiment, the trial. Okay. Once you're done with your experiment, and you're gonna do this 100 times total, picking one, putting it back, seeing what color you get. Then you are done with your Skittles, and you can eat one. Hi, James. You look pretty wet. James has been playing with water. All right, so that's everything I need to show you. The rest of the lab is for you to read through. I will put our lab numbers up as an example. If you can't get a hold of some Skittles, you can use our numbers to finish the lab, okay?
I'm actually not going to have a chair.
Okay. Anything else you would like to say, Peter?
So you could eat your Skittles when you're done, or you could you don't have to have Skittles when you're done. You could just say if you want to, or if you don't.
Yeah, you could give your Skittles to somebody else. Yeah. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye. I'm going to pick red.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.